Hey guys, friendly neighborhood Spider-Man here, and welcome to this episode of Ruby Programming. So, in this episode, we talk about key statements. Okay, let's start. I don't know why do I go to this. Okay, quote new file. Let's call it case.rb. Okay, so case statements. Did we talk about case statements? So, case statements are uh, similar to switch statements in C or Java, right? So, case statements has three very important stuff: your case keyword, then a number or a value, okay, that you're going to use. Okay, let's say number. Then when clause, okay, not clause, sorry, when keyword, another one keyword, else keyword, and so actually there's case, number, when can be multiple, and else, which is the default keyword, and then end, right? So let's take a look at it and what it does. Let's take a number. No, let's take a string. Number. Okay, let's take a. Okay, let's take a number. Number. Okay, since that came first. Number equals getters, and let's use our case statements. Okay, now you're gonna write when. Let's say when number, and here you're gonna write the value. Okay, not the number or any condition, no conditions, just value, what the number will have. Okay, let's say when number is 1, puts the value as 1. Okay, when number is 2, puts the value is 2, else the value is neither 1 nor 2. Let's try running this. Let's try running 1, and I see what I did here. Not left 2i, obviously the value is 1, value is 2. Yep, this was embarrassing. Okay, so this is what case statements does. Okay, one interesting thing about case statements, you can give multiple values. Okay, and they can be multiple whens also. Let's try value is 1, right? Let's try value is 1. Let's try value is neither 1 neither 2, value is 2. So you see 2 and 3 is both in this and this, right? So whichever gets executed first, then it skips, breaks, and then it comes here. Okay, always remember your execution happens from top to bottom, right? So first this gets executed, this gets executed, and this. So when this gets executed, that means it's gonna come here in this line, and then it'll jump right here. Okay, if this doesn't get executed, this doesn't get executed, then by default else will get executed, right? Because that's what else does. So this will get executed. Okay, and after that will come here. Okay, it's very simple. Let's try with a string. Okay, let's enter a string. Name it str1. Why one when there's only one? Oh, by the way, chomp. I believe I've never talked about chomp. I'll talk in this episode. Okay, then let's give case tier. Okay, and I'll show you what this does. Okay, puts when Spider-Man. Okay, Spider-Man. Let me show you jump without this. Okay, let's just use Spider-Man. Puts friendly neighbor. Puts Spider-Man. Yeah, Superman. Let's go with that. Let's get Superman. Oh, he's so super. So super. I'm just gonna go with it. Let's try Iron Man. Okay. Puts I love you 3000. Any Marvel fans will get that reference. Puts well, you know hero. Okay, let's try. Interesting. Make sure you have to write exactly what this is, right? So this, the reason why this didn't work is because I'll show you why it didn't work. Okay, when I do get S, okay, just get S and I write Spider-Man and then press enter, this gets added. This is I think we've talked about this. This is it's called an escape sequence. Okay, and /n means a new line. So when I type enter, a new line gets added, right? So to remove that, okay, to remove a new line, we do something called chomp, new line or carriage return. Okay, we do something called chomp. Okay, and then what is wrong? Yeah, so this is what you do to, to remove a new line from your string. Okay, let's try it now. Enter string Spider-Man, right? Again enter string, say Superman. Enter string Iron Man. Enter string Captain America. Well, yeah, he's no superhero. So this is it for this episode. I hope you guys understood what I was talking about. If you guys have any questions, anything you didn't understand, or want to discuss about how Captain America is a superhero, well, you can do that in the comment section below. I'll do one thing. I think this is it for this episode. We'll discuss in the next episode. Let's discuss about blocks and methods. It's gonna be fun. Blocks and methods. Okay, cool. So see you guys in the next episode, and make sure to subscribe, like, share. Am I forgetting something else? No, I'm very new to YouTube, so it's it takes some time for me to get used to watch like, share, subscribe, and all that. Okay, so make sure to do all of that and keep watching my videos. So thank you so much, and see you in the next episode.